Oh God. Ready? Yeah, this one definitely yes. This one. Oh, you get that one. You kept that one.
Cute puppy you got there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cute puppy.
Okay. Yes.
There you go, here, buddy.
Okay. Look at this house wrong. Completely like. Right, baby? Engage my baby. Those are friends. They're friends. Lots of friends, right, baby? You make lots of friends. Right, baby? Yes. Yes. Lots of friends. Yeah. You make friends over here. You make friends, Oreo. I told you make friends. You make friends, okay, Oreo? Oreo. Pass. Oh, no. Pass. Pass. Oreo. Wait a minute, Oreo. When did it pass? Yes. Yeah. Where did it went, Oreo? Oh, alright. Yeah. Give me another one. Oh, give me two. Give me another one. Oh, no, I won't pass either. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna take it right now. Yeah. I'll take two because of...
Alright, buddy.
Let me see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Look at, give me another one like that, and I'll get this one too, because this one won't pass either. Yeah. All right, like.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah.
This one's a beautiful tire, and it's actually the last one we have in
Does
there.
it pass?
Oh my God, yeah, that'll definitely pass without a question.
Yeah. 195, 60, 15.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
Yeah, this is 195, 60. Outside, what do we got going on here?
I'll pick them tomorrow when I'm with you.
Well, no, I gotta let Shane know first. Oh, you what? You have out the right place before that dude? Yeah. Guarantee he doesn't come back.
I didn't know that. I thought we checked that with you.
No, on the black guy's car this morning.
Yeah.
Dreadlock? Yeah. I still gave earlier.
Yo, I fucked my boss over this morning on the road, dude, so I'm working the shop, though, to make up for it. Leave me alone today. I fucked my boss over on the road, dude, so I'm working the shop. But then again, Pete won't fire me, because I already tried to get fired. And he won't fire me.
Is that one on thing?
No, no.
Huh?
No, sir.
All right, just check.
No, sir.
Oreo. Stay friendly. Stay friendly, Oreo. Really friendly.
Now it's tight, Joe. Oh, you're right here.
I never realized there was actually a taillight in the bed.
It's okay, everybody knows.
Oreo. Stay by daddy, Oreo. Stay by daddy. Stay by me, baby.
$53, buddy.
What is it?
53.
Okay. Oreo.
You're gonna need to get back tires soon.
Yeah, soon, I think so. Yeah.
Hey, puppy.
He's friendly.
It's okay. Yeah.
Oreo.
Joey, that's daddy, bro. What are you doing? You're crazy, kid.
What?
Hiya, Bob. Oh, she just wants the attention.
Yeah.
Hey,
30,
Dad, come here. Come on.
50.
Hiya, kid. Hiya. Hi. Hi. What's the
Oreo.
matter?
I'll be right out with
Oreo.
your receipt.
Okay, thank you. Oreo. Make friends, Oreo.
It's daddy. I know.
Make
That's your
friends.
daddy. I know. I know. My mom's dog's the same way.
Oh, look
When
at
it
him.
comes to
Oh.
mom and dad, dude, it's over.
I think he smells your dog. Yeah, no?
Probably.
Yeah, I think so.
It's
Yeah,
a German
yeah.
Shepherd.
Really? Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Is that a male
wow.
or female?
Male. A
Yep,
boy.
my mom's dog's a female.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. Yeah. Is that a, did you smell the puppy, baby? Did you smell the puppy? Yeah? You smell the dog? Yeah. Nice dog, right? You smell the puppy?
God, is this truck heavy? More?
Man, I'm back. Taking off one side.
Wait a second. Now, what did you think?